Whether you have been using Xianyu Chinese shopping app for a very long time, or you are new to Xianyu Chinese shopping app and you want to know and you want to confirm if seller have actually shipped your items in Xianyu Chinese shopping app, consider to stay tuned to this video from beginning to the end and see how to check if seller have actually shipped your order or your item in Xianyu Chinese shopping app without any stress. Let me show you how. First thing first, open up your Xianyu Chinese shopping app. After you open up your Xianyu Chinese shopping app, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and navigate to the order you paid for. So for that, all you have to do is to simply click on here in your chat box. Now you are here. For you to know if an order has been shipped by the seller in Xianyu, I'm going to show you right here from the box. I'm going to use a particular product as an example right here in my inbox in Xianyu Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let's get started. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taoba, JD.com, Xianyu, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's proceed. So I'm going to use a particular product as an example, like I said in this video. So I'm going to use this recently order I just paid for as an example. So I'm going to go ahead and click on here to open up our chart. So after a successful place order, so you can see the order right here, and this is when the order was picture sent to me by the seller. Now, how do you know if the order has been shipped? All you have to do is to simply click on here, click on the product link. So when you click on the product link, it's going to load and open up like so. Now, once it open up like so, immediately you see this box icon. It simply means that your order has been shipped by the seller and a tracking number will be given to you in order to track the progress of your order. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about Xianyu Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.